Ever wondered why the FLASHFORGE AD5M Pro makes every other printer feel slow and clunky? Ever felt like your 3D printer is secretly plotting against you? Hours of babysitting, warped ABS, another failed first layer? Sound familiar? You're not alone. Drop yes in the comments if you've ever rage quit mid-print. Today, the FLASHFORGE AD5M Pro walks in and quietly fixes everything you hate. Deadlines breathing down your neck, coffee going cold while the printer crawls at 60 millimeters per second, burnout knocking? We've all been there. Imagine if there was a way to take total control without adding more chaos or another 47-step calibration dance. What if printing fast actually felt easy? Keep watching, the twist is coming. Meet the FLASHFORGE AD5M Pro, the enclosed CoreXY beast that hits 600 millimeters per second without turning your models into abstract art. One busy cosplayer swapped in the 0.6 millimeter quick swap nozzle, literally 3 seconds, and finished a full helmet in the time her old printer needed for the visor alone. Another teacher fired up ABS in front of 30 kids. No fumes, no warping, just perfect parts and zero panic. The direct drive extruder laughs at TPU and carbon fiber, while one-click auto-leveling means you'll never touch a knob again. Feel that little rush when the bed heats and the camera shows a flawless first layer? That's the AD5M Pro high. Stick around. One viewer is getting the secret 600 millimeters per second profile that cuts print time another 22% at the end. Comment speed if you want it dropped in the replies. Suddenly, you're printing functional parts before lunch instead of next Tuesday. The vibration compensation keeps walls silky even at ridiculous speeds, and the dual-layer filtration means your office doesn't smell like a chemistry accident. One reviewer said, "I couldn't believe how fast it changed my workflow, then printed an entire prototype batch while eating breakfast." A prop maker told me the 0.6 millimeter nozzle makes armor pieces stupidly strong and stupidly quick. Thousands of users keep saying the same thing. The FLASHFORGE AD5M Pro turned waiting for prints into what do I print next? Real talk, some people whine that 220 by 220 by 220 millimeters isn't huge. Cool, go buy a fridge-sized printer and enjoy moving it. The rest of us are getting parts off the flexible PEI plate with that satisfying bing and moving on with our lives. Which feature would save your sanity tomorrow? The quick swap nozzles, the enclosure that finally tames ABS, or just raw speed? Tell me in the comments so I know I'm not the only one obsessed. Stock is moving faster than this thing prints. Seriously, batches sell out in days. Join the thousands, yes, actual verified owners, who already leveled up and never looked back. If you're still fighting slow printers in 2025, that's a choice. Click the link, grab your FLASHFORGE AD5M Pro, and I'll throw in the secret high-speed profile nobody talks about. Comment "I'm in" right now if you're ready to make waiting around feel like ancient history. Don't just watch, jump in and transform your workflow today.